I'm going to install a new plate and my top case for my R1300 GS. The top case and plate are by SW Motech. Allegedly, they are for this bike, and I trust SW Motech to not fuck me over. Let's see. So I'm just gonna. First step is taking these out. This is a T30. There you go.
Cool. So that's just a spacer and a screw.
Yep, and this is how it goes.
Yeah, it's like mine.
All right. I just have to add some things to this before I apply it to this part of the rack. This I already screwed on. I'm just gonna smush these things in here. Yeah, so the one side is flat, the other side countersunk, sure. So, screwing that on. Okay, so this is not locked in yet, but I'm gonna install, I guess this is part of the dusk lock set. Okay, so we installed this, which houses the key, it's the lock. Pretty straightforward. There's just two screws, just this little piece that sinks in here, and then you screw them down. Once this is installed, this can unlock, and I hope this is what will enable me to, there we go, place this thing. What do you think? So, a couple weird things just with the instructions. So it had like the steps to install this and these squishy parts were on a completely separate like browser tab essentially, like it opened a new window. Whereas when I installed this initial plate, that instruction sheet also had me affixing this in the same series of steps. So you have to install these things before you put this top plate on the bottom plate. And then you can't sync this until you install the lock, because this won't open until the lock is installed. It's very light. I feel like my other case was a lot heavier, and this is bigger than the case I had for my Pan America. I think that's about it. Leave your questions, like our videos.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Screws fell out. It's the worst part of the
You leave like
day.
I die, and then you're writing a review like these stupid screws didn't stay in after our bike jumped off a mountain.
1 out of 5. SW Motech killed my wife.
Cool. Can't wait to ride it. Ride with it? And now I can fill this to the brim with pumpkins.
Buying all this equipment so I can capture you in the perfect light with stability.
With stability? Look how stable it is. We'll at least have good bloopers for this one. All right.